Guys, today I'm taking a look at this cool new 13-in-1 docking station from UGREEN. Now, if you're hooking up multiple devices and monitors to your computer or tablet, you are going to want to check this out. Why? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the RevoDok Pro 13-in-1. It's the 313 USB C Multifunction Adaptor from UGREEN. Now, with 13 ports, including 3 display ports, this is set to look like the only multifunction adapter that you're going to need. Now, before we get into it, UGREEN sent me this RevoDok 13-in-1 multifunction adapter to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know, whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we have some instructions and the dock itself. Now, first look at this, and you know what? It's pretty solid. It's made from aluminium, it's bigger than most docks that I've reviewed, and it comes with a decent length of braided host cable, and all round feels pretty premium. Now, taking a look at the ports on one side, we have 2 HDMI ports, a DisplayPort, a 5 gigabits USB-A port, and a gigabit Ethernet port. Yep, not everything is wireless. Now turn it around guys, and we have an SD and TF memory card slot. We have a combo 3.5mm mic and headphone jack. We got one 5 gigabit USB-A port. We've got 2 Gen 2 USB-A 10 gigabit ports and a Type C 10 gigabit port. That is a lot of connectivity. Now, connecting this to my MacBook Pro and hooking up various memory cards and external drives, and I have to say that transfer speeds were lightning fast. So guys, there you have it. This 313 multifunction 13-in-1 USB C adapter from UGREEN is definitely an all-in-one device that is going to be as happy on your desk as it will be in your laptop bag. If you need to extend ports on your computer or even your tablet, this RevoDok has got you covered. Now, I can tell you now, it's not cheap, right? At £104 on Amazon at the time of this video going live, yeah, it's probably at the more higher end than the ones that you see that are around 20, 30, 40 pounds. But I can tell you now that this is a quality piece of kit backed by a brand that is committed to delivering quality products and quality service. So guys, I will leave any product links and any further discounts in the description. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to UGREEN for sending me this very useful 13-in-1 multifunction adapter to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.